Welcome back to Chrissy Lou's Reviews, where I review stuff. Now today we're going to be doing a product review. This product was suggested to me from my friend Kristen, who called this product life-changing. So I of course had to try it. I initially purchased this product from Target for $60, and it is the Revlon One Step hair dryer. So it's one of those hair dryers that has a brush attached to it. It does not rotate, but as you can see, it's a pretty good size. It's a pretty sturdy mechanism here. Those are the options. So you can go cool, low, or high. It does get pretty hot, so be careful with that. So I went ahead and tried this out. $60 at Target. A little pricey for me just because I don't really get into my hair too much. I'm like the laziest hair person on the planet. That's why I have like really long hair. But I heard this just like dries your hair very, very quickly, and it's super easy to use, so I thought I'd give it a try. So I did, and it's great. I love this product. I highly suggest it, especially at $60 price point. It's like a little pricey, but you can actually get it on Amazon. And again, this product isn't that new. It's actually like all the rage. Everyone talks about it. It has over 20,000 reviews on Amazon, and it's almost perfect 5-star. But you can actually go and get it on Amazon right now for $35 free shipping. So for that price point, run and get this. Now they have different colors. This one costs $35, but if you want the other colors, you're gonna have to pay more for them, which I don't really see the point, but maybe you just love a certain color. So I will show a demo of me actually doing this. I would say, so I have pretty long hair. And I think this is very easy to use, and I think it dries your hair very, very quickly. It takes me a very long time to dry my hair with a hair dryer, so which is why I'm very lazy about it. But I would say that this definitely is a time saver. If I wanted to, which I would never do this anyways, but I wanted to take a round brush and actually take a hair dryer and do my whole head like that, it would probably take like well over a half hour to do my hair like good. This takes like 15 minutes to do my hair. So again, really recommend this product. I'll leave a link to the product down below. You can just click on it, take you right over to Amazon. Again, I would highly recommend buying this from Amazon because it's $35 right now. And I did see it at Target the other day for $60. So good deal on Amazon. Here is a clip of the demo of what it looks like when I use this product. hope you enjoyed this video. Please, as always, if you'd like to see a review, please drop a comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see review next. Please like my channel and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.